Hey guys, it's me again. In today's episode, I'm going to tell you guys or show you guys what is running on my Android phone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. The first thing that you see right now is actually the widget locker. It's available on the Android market, but it's not free. It's around $1. Okay, and so let me show you what you can do with this. So let me open this up. Widget locker. Widget locker is basically a locker replacement for your Android phone. For example, you don't like your lock screen that comes with your phone, you can actually change it with that. Okay, let me press the menu and go under settings. Under settings is the place where you can change the looks and feel, buttons, inputs, behavior, screen timeout, pop-ups, and many more. So you can enable or disable it by clicking on this, and it is very cool. Anyway, let me back this up. So let's run back to the widget locker. So as you know, this app is called the widget locker. It allows you to add widgets and add a new locker. For example, if you want to add a new locker, you can tap on the screen and go under custom sliders. What is really cool is that there are lots of custom sliders available. If you think that is not enough, you can even go ahead to the XDA forum and download it. So let me zoom in and you can actually see XDA forum. Let me focus it. Yeah, get themes XDA. You can get the themes over there and it is all for free, and that's what makes it good. As you know, this is called the widget locker. Of course, you can add widget. You can tap onto the screen, go under the widgets. The widgets, wait a minute, sorry, I clicked the wrong one, but anyway, go under widgets, and you can see all your widgets on your phone will be loaded up, and actually allows you to choose widgets. For example, you want to add a widget called the Advanced Task Killer, free, just tap into it, and it's there. So once you're done, you lock your phone, and when you unlock, you can see that the Advanced Task Killer will be there. Here you go. So this is the widget locker that I use on my phone lock screen. Okay, so once I unlock the screen, you can see I'm running on a different launcher. It's actually the Go Launcher EX. It's available on the Android market for free. But anyway, let me show you what are the function of this launcher. As you can see, I print out and it shows me all the homepage I have. What is cool about this launcher is that you can add as many homepage as you want. For example, add 3 more and you can see the page is full, but you still can add some more by swapping to the next page and add even more. Add, which is very cool. That means you have unlimited number of homepage for you to customize, which is very good. And this launcher is actually quite lightweight. As you can see, the scrolling is quite smooth with the single core processor that I'm running on, but it's really very cool. So what is even cooler is that it has lots of themes. You click under themes, you can actually find all the themes available on your phone right now. As you can see, I've downloaded lots of them. Anyway, if you go under Go Store, it actually opened up a so-called market that is actually made by the Go Launcher, and you can actually download many themes application over here. So if you go under the show it to you. Okay, so if you actually tap on your screen, normally you will actually come up with widgets, shortcuts, application, and folders and wallpaper. But for this, it comes with widget and Go widget. So let me show you the Go widget. This is the most interesting part. You can see all the widgets that are made by the Go launcher over here, or maybe the Go developer. So we have Go Store, Go Note, Go Calendar, Go Facebook, Go Twitter, Switch, and many more. If you want to add any of them, just tap onto it. It will open to the Go Store and actually allows you to download the widgets, which is very nice and cool for them to think until that. And what is really cool below is that it has 3 dock for you to actually add what you want to put in, which is very good. So since I have actually 5 home screen running now, let me show you the first home screen first. On the first home screen, I have the Facebook app, and that is the normal Facebook app. You can download it if you want. I'll put the QR code as always. This is the widget for it, which is quite cool. Okay, it's very good for your social networking. Engadget, and 3 different icons, shortcuts below. If you want to know, is camera, by Lightbox, gallery, WhatsApp, and calculator. So anyway, let me go through the Engadget app. So let me unlock this phone and continue showing it to you. So Engadget. Okay, so you guys have seen that I've already opened up the Engadget. It's available on the Android market for free, and it tells you all the latest text news. Basically, this is actually a tech blog. So you can see the top will show you the latest news, and the bottom will show you all the the top will show you the popular news, and this will show you the latest posts by them. You have many more options below. You can go ahead and try it yourself. Okay. But anyway, it comes with a widget that is very cool. It will auto update every 15, 30, or many more minutes, whatever. Right? I've forgotten all the minutes, but you get what I mean. The second page, I have Plume for Twitter. So let me open this up. Plume for Twitter is basically a Twitter app that allows you to communicate with your friends. What is really cool is that it comes with a very nice widget. It's scrollable widget, as you can see, which is quite smooth right now. It's free on the Android market. You have a paid version to get rid of the ads, but I don't think the widget will have any ads pop up because most of the time I tweet using the widget. Yeah, so this widget only works with some launcher. So if you have the for example, the touch wrist, it's not going to work. It's not going to scroll, you know. So anyway, let me open up Plume. You can see that you can swipe through by doing this and read all your message, which is very cool. You can have your mentions at the second page, and it's guided by this thing. And if you want to go to the top, just go to tab, jump to top, and to refresh, just pull down and auto refresh. And to tweet, just got to pull this down. You can start tweeting. Yeah, it's as simple as that. So this is the app called Plume for Twitter that I'm running on my phone. So let's go on to the next page. So the next page, I have the Go weather, if I'm not wrong. Anyway, let me open this up. So as you guys can see, I've already opened up Go weather. What is cool that I like this is the animation that you are seeing right now. Do you think the animation is very cool? You can download more animation by later that I'm going to show you, but I can switch from morning to night. As you can see. Okay, night, I want the night. Scroll down, okay, so you can see this is a night scenery over here. That is really very cool. You can just scroll this up to show more details on the weather. It's also developed by the Go developer. As you can see, this actually is the same developer as the Go Launcher EX. Yeah, so you can go ahead and download it. It's free also. You can download Teams, which is very cool. Let me show it to you. So I've opened up the team. It will take several seconds to load. So as load, you have team. Okay, that means the animation that you see just now. You have live wallpaper for your live wallpaper. Okay, you have widgets, and of course the app. Okay, that I'm not going to show you first because there's nothing much over there. So the widget looks something like this. You can download more widgets if you want, which is very neat. And if you want to set wallpaper, you actually have a wallpaper settings, live wallpaper. As you can see, there's actually the Go Weather live wallpaper. So if you download a live wallpaper in the app, you actually have different live wallpaper if you use it. So which is very cool. But I don't use live wallpaper because it takes up lots of battery. So yeah, so I never actually use it. So let's go on to this. So this widget is actually the battery solo widget. It basically tells you the battery amount left. So it's available on the Android market for free. It looks plain, and yeah. So if you actually charge your phone, this will actually turn blue. When your battery is low, it turns to red, and when your battery is full, it will turn green. So that's the battery solo widget that I'm going to show you. The next one will be the advanced task killer that I think most of Android users know. If you don't know, it's actually a task killer, which help you to kill all the tasks that are running on the background. So for example, right now I have different tasks running. I have advanced task killer running, Engadget, Go Weather, WhatsApp, Facebook, beautiful widgets, and widget locker. You want to kill these apps, just kill selected apps that you will be killed. And you can even set auto kill by going to other settings and set your auto kill, which is very cool. So I do recommend this app. If you don't have, you can go ahead and try it now. So I have different shortcuts here. I have Market, Inkpad, Gmail, and settings. Inkpad is basically a pad for you to store your notes. What is good is that it can actually synchronize to the online service. So you can actually synchronize online and you can edit your notes on your personal computer if you want to. So anyway, let me go back. So go on to the next page. Over here I have Power Amp. It's actually a music player, but it's not free on the Android market. So if you want it, you have to go ahead and download it. And it costs around, I don't know what, whatever, but I'll put a QR code and go ahead and check it out. If you want it, you can go ahead and download it. It has a trial version. If you want it, you can go ahead and search in the market, but I'm going to show you the paid version QR code over here. So you tap onto it, it will open up. So and go under library, and it actually groups in groups like this. You can go under all songs and you actually load all your songs. What is cool is that it comes with this function whereby you can tap onto it and we will search for album arts online, which is very cool. Yes, cool equalizer as you can see from here. Yeah, so and many more. So let me show you the equalizer again. You can have presets and you can actually customize it if you want, and bass and tremble, volume. Anyway, let's go on to the widgets. Okay, so Power Amps come with many widgets, so let me show it to you guys. Widgets. So you can see it comes with different sizes of widgets. Okay, it comes with 4x1 with no album art, 4x1 with album art, 4x2 and large. So let me show you 1x1, 4x1, 4x1 without album art, the 4x2, the 4x1 with album art, let me find it. Okay, the 4x2, and of course I need one more page for the larger one, which is the one that I showed you before, the large. So it's come with many widgets as you can see. And oh yeah, one more thing, you can actually change the skin by going under the settings and go under the settings. Okay, you can see under themes you have a few themes that is available. Yeah, so I hope they update with more, but anyway, I think it's sufficient for daily users. So anyway, this is the Power Amp that is running on my phone. The last page will be my Hotmail app and the calendar app. The Hotmail app is basically my Hotmail. I won't open it up to show you because I already showed you last time. So I will just put a Hotmail QR code as always, and the calendar is basically the stock calendar that's on my phone. And the browser I'm using to surf the web is actually Opera Mobile. So if you want it, I'll also put a QR code as always. If you guys want it, it's a very good browser. It is smooth, fast, and sweet. Okay, whatever. So anyway, this is the episode of the what's running on my phone. I hope you guys like it. Be sure to thumbs up and comments on how can I improve my videos if you think that there is a need for improvement. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.